Canada's capital gains tax is about to change. If you're a crypto investor, this could cost you thousands if you don't act fast. Should you sell your crypto before 2026? Or is there a better way to protect profits from CRA's tax hike? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know if the smart move is to sell your crypto before the changes come in, or if there's a better way to minimize your tax bill and keep more of your gains. I get it. Navigating crypto taxes feels like a constant game of cat and mouse with the CRA. A few years ago, I helped a client who was hit with a surprise tax bill because they didn't plan ahead for changes like this. We worked through the tax rules, spread out their gains, and saved them thousands in unnecessary taxes. Today, I'm breaking down how you can do the same and avoid paying more than you need to. Hello, I'm Charlene Tessier, your Canadian crypto tax expert. Remember, the information in this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, tax, or legal advice. See the full disclaimer in this description. Right now in early 2025, when you sell your crypto for a profit, only 50% of your gains are taxed. But starting January 1st, 2026, if your gains are over $250K in a year, CRA is going to tax 66% instead. That is a huge jump. And for corporations and trusts, they're losing that 50% rate entirely. Everything gets taxed at that higher 66% rate. So what do you think? Do you think this tax hike is fair? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so what does this actually mean for you as a crypto investor? If you have small gains under 250K per year, you're safe for now. You'll still be taxed at 50%. But if you're making big gains, especially if you're stacking profits for a major cash out in 2026, this could mean a massive tax bill. If you invest through a corporation, it's even worse. Everything will be taxed at 66%. So should you sell now before the hike? Well, it depends. This is where things get tricky. A lot of people panic and think, I should sell everything before the tax increase. But let's just pump the brakes on that for a second. Here's why selling early might not be the best move for you. If you sell now just to avoid the tax hike, you might miss out on market gains if the crypto prices go up. If you hold until 2026, yes, you'll pay a higher tax rate if you cash out over 250K, but you might still come out ahead if your investment appreciates. There are strategies to reduce your tax bill without panic selling. More on this in a second. So what's the smarter move? Instead of a knee-jerk reaction, start planning now. Work with a tax pro. And if you're thinking of selling big, and try to spread your gains over multiple years to stay under that 250K threshold. What are you planning to do? Are you going to sell your crypto before 2026 or are you going to hold? Let me know in the comments. The good news is you have time to plan. Here's how you can do it. Use the 250K threshold wisely. If you can spread out your gains over multiple years to stay under CRA's new limit. Reinvest strategically. Consider the tax-efficient ways to hold assets longer or move into favorable investment vehicles. Corporate structures. If you're investing through a corporation, talk to a tax expert. There may be ways to actually mitigate the impact of that 66% tax rate. All right. Now you know exactly what's changing and how it could impact you. But what if you're staking or you're doing yield farming or you're a liquidity provider? Each crypto asset type has a different tax rule, and I've got a specific video for each of your situations. So check out my next video on staking rewards or a breakdown the tax implications. And I'm going to give you a hint now. Even if you're not running a business, the CRA might still tax your staking rewards as business income. I also have a load of free resources for you to help you navigate your crypto taxes this season. Go to the description and grab those links. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you stay ahead of CRA's next move. I'm Charlene Tessier, and helping you go from crypto chaos to tax clarity. I'll see you in the next one.